Essential newborn care is the basic comprehensive care that is provided to the newborn at the time of birth, in postnatal ward at up to 28 days of birth. The basic comprehensive care that is provided to the newborn just after the birth, in postnatal ward and up to 28 days of birth. It is the strategy that is recommended by WHO also to improve the survival of children and reduce mortality and morbidity. It is divided into two parts: immediate newborn care and routine newborn care. It has some components that I'll be just enlisting, and we have stations for different components of essential newborn care. It is
इसमें deliver baby on warm delivery room, deliver baby on warm delivery room में जो उनका टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए वो 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस में होना चाहिए।
अब मैं बताऊंगी रूटीन केयर और लेटर केयर के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले आता है रूटीन केयर। बेबी ने विकोरियम पास किया है कि नहीं विदिन 24 आवर्स के अलावा यूनिट पास किया है विदिन 48 आवर्स ऑफ बर्थ और इस बेबी talking about cord clamping. So cord clamping is the process of separating the neonate from the placenta by stopping the blood flow to the umbilical cord. At the time of birth, the baby is still attached to the mother via umbilical cord. The benefits of delayed cord clamping. So बच्चे के डिलीवरी के ऑलमोस्ट 1 से 3 मिनट्स के बाद जब हम बच्चे का कॉर्ड क्लैंप करते हैं तो उससे हम बोलते हैं डिलेड कॉर्ड क्लैंपिंग। हमें इमीडिएट या अर्ली कॉर्ड क्लैंपिंग नहीं करनी है बिकॉज इट कैन लीड टू कंजेस्टिव कार्डियक फेलियर एंड अदर एब्नॉर्मैलिटीज। Firstly, keep the area around the cord dry and clean. Wash your hands before touching the cord to prevent from infection. Clean the stars using cotton applicator or cotton swab dipped in water.
I'm going to explain you about Apgar scoring. Apgar scoring was developed by Dr. Virginia Apgar, who was an American anesthesiologist in the year 1952. इस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि इन्फेंट मोर्टालिटी रेट जो था वो बहुत ज्यादा हाई था क्योंकि कोई स्ट्रक्चर्ड टूल नहीं था हमारे पास न्यूबॉर्न को बर्थ के बाद इमीडिएटली असेस करने का। तो जो हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स होते थे दे यूज्ड टू मिस द गोल्डन टाइम टू प्रोवाइड द लाइफ सेविंग।
सबसे पहले इसमें आता है एक्टिविटी जिसमें कि हम लोग मसल रिपोर्ट चेक करेंगे बेबी का। अगर एक्टिव मूवमेंट शो कर रहा है बेबी तो उसको 2 स्कोर करेंगे। अगर मिनिमम फ्लेक्शन ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिटी शो हो रही है तो उसको 1 स्कोर करेंगे और अगर नो मूवमेंट शो कर रहा है तो उसको 0 स्कोर करेंगे। नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा पल्स। नॉर्मल पल्स होती है बेबी का 120 to 160 बीट्स पर मिनट। अगर बेबी का पल्स 100 मोर देन 100 बीट्स पर मिनट आ है देन उसको 2 स्कोर करेंगे। अगर लेस देन 100 बीट्स पर मिनट आ है देन उसको 1 स्कोर करेंगे और अगर एब्सेंट पल्स है देन 0 स्कोर।
We can interpret from here that the maximum score of Apgar will be 10, the minimum will be 0. Good morning, everyone. I am introducing you to the critical concept of neonatal care, that is the warm chain. Warm chain is a series of simple yet essential steps aimed at maintaining the temperature of a newborn right from the birth.
Discuss about warm delivery and immediate trial. First of all, warm delivery. Warm delivery room is a practice in which we maintain a common temperature of delivery room during the delivery.
Step of warm chain is warm resuscitation. Warm resuscitation is critical in managing newborn babies as hypothermia can exacerbate respiratory distress, metabolic disturbances, and other poor outcomes. So now I am going to tell you about breastfeeding. So breastfeeding is the process of feeding the baby with the milk from the mother's breast. It is a wholesome food for the baby and it meets the nutritional as well as emotional needs of the baby. WHO and UNICEF recommended breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding until the 6 months of the age.
Talk about rooming in and warm chain maintenance during transportation. So first, rooming in is the technique where both baby and mother are made to share a room for maximum up to 24 hours. So
as we all know that newborns और जो neonates होते हैं वो hypothermia के लिए बहुत prone होते हैं because they have a thin skin and they do not have the ability to maintain or regulate their body temperature effectively.
This salary bill, Assistant Professor State College of Nursing, Mr. Ankit Tiwari, Nurse Teacher, State College of Nursing, for providing us this opportunity to conduct a module on IMNCI and essential newborn care. I would especially thank Mr. Ankit Tiwari sir for guiding us through all this process, and I would like to thank my classmates who cooperatively worked to successfully conduct this module. Thank you.